our topic is all about coterminal angles. So we're going to find the positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal angle. Okay, so first of all, we're going to define what is coterminal angle. So coterminal angle, it is another angle having common initial side and terminal side. Okay, example. So this is our given angle. So we have the given theta as our angle. So ito po yung initial side, then ito po yung terminal side niya. So mostly, yung initial side po, nandun po yung 0 degree. So doon po palagi nag-start yung angle measurement natin. Okay? From 0 degree. Kung positive, counterclockwise po yung movement natin. Positive angle. Kung negative naman po, clockwise po yung movement natin. Kung negative po yung angle natin, yung measure po ng angle natin. Okay? So, ito yung initial side, ito yung terminal side. So, pag negative naman po, move naman po natin pababa. Okay? So, ito pa rin po yung initial side, move natin pababa. So, ibig sabihin, ito naman po yung initial side ng negative angle, alpha, then ito naman po yung terminal side ng given angle na alpha. Okay po? So, for example number 1, we're going to find the angle coterminal with 45 degree that has a measure of A between 0 degree and 360 degree. Letter B, from or between negative 360 degree and 0 degree. Okay, other term. Para po sa letter A, other term po nito ay positive coterminal angle. So between 0 degree and 360 degree, other term po niyan ay positive coterminal angle. Between negative 360 degree and 0 degree, other term po nito ay negative coterminal angle. Okay? So how to find the first positive coterminal angle and the first negative coterminal angle? By the way, there are unlimited positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal angle of the given angle. Okay? So example number 1. So how to find the angle coterminal with 45 degree that has a measure between 0 degree and 360 degree, or how to find the first positive coterminal angle of the given angle na 45 degree. Ito na po yan. Yung pinaka-sekreto po, draw ka lang po. Plot mo lang siya sa partition plane. Okay? So nandito po yung 0 degree. So positive, yung given po natin ay positive 45 degree. So positive 45 degree, assume na nandito po. Dito yung 45 degree. Okay, so letter A, we're going to find the angle coterminal with 45 degree between 0 degree to 360 degree, or the first positive coterminal angle. So ganito lang po yan. So dapat daw, parehas po daw yung initial side. Then, initial side, then parehas din po ng terminal side. Yun yung coterminal angle niya, ng given angle. Ito yung given angle natin, 45. Ano yung coterminal niya? Na parehas daw yung initial side, tsaka yung terminal side. Okay, letter A. Paano ba yan? Dito po tayo mag-start. Initial side. Nag-start sa initial side, end siya terminal side. Tayo mag-start na yan, initial side. Hanapin natin yung coterminal angles niya. Okay. Start tayo dito. Move po tayo. Positive po. So, counterclockwise. Pagdating po natin dito, hindi po tayo i-stop. Continue po yung round natin. Pag nag-stop po tayo dito, it means yung angle na yun is same lang sa 45 degree angle. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po yun yung coterminal angle. So, it means another angle. When you say coterminal, another angle. Okay po? Okay, diretso po tayo. Continue po yung revolution po natin. Okay, diretso po tayo. Then, doon na po tayo, nag-i-stop. Pagdating po natin doon, stop na po tayo. Why? Start po tayo dito ng initial. Hindi tayo nag-stop doon. Kasi pag nag-stop tayo, pares lang yung angle. Diretso po tayo. Then, saan po tayo nag-stop? So, initial side, terminal side. Ito yung 45 degree, initial side, terminal side. In this one, ito yung first positive coterminal angle. Anong angle to? Measure po natin. Saan po tayo dito? 90. Positive 90 degree. 180, 270, 360. May natira pa? 45 degree. 360 plus 45 degree is equal to 405 degree. So the first positive coterminal angle is equal to 405 degree angle. So the answer for letter A is equal to 405 degree. So yun yung first. If you are asked to find the second positive coterminal angle, diretso po tayo. Again. So diretso po tayo ha. So yun yung first. Ano yung second? Round ka naman ulit. Then end ka ulit. Ilan ulit? So mag-a-add ka na po ng plus 360 for the second coterminal angle. For the third, another 360 degree. Start dito, 1 revolution po yan, 360. So 405 plus 360 degree, that will be your second positive coterminal angle. If you are asked to find the third coterminal angle, another 360. That's all. Yung po yun. Yung pagkuha po ng positive coterminal angle. Now, ngayon, paano po daw yung pagkuha ng negative coterminal angle? Letter B. Paano sasagutan si letter B? Find the angle coterminal with 45 degree that has a measure between negative 360 degree and 0 degree. Or we're going to find the first negative coterminal angle. Ano yung first negative coterminal angle ng 45 degree angle? So, kanina, counterclockwise po tayo for positive coterminal angle. Ngayon po, para po sa negative coterminal angle, clockwise po tayo. So, start po tayo. Ito yung initial side. Then, dapat mag-i-end po tayo doon sa terminal side. Okay? Start. This time po, stop na po tayo. Hindi na po tayo mag-continue pa. Why? Because this angle po, the measure of this angle is different from the measure of this angle. It means this is another angle with the same initial side and terminal side. So ano yung measure nito? Negative, negative 90, negative 180, negative 270. Ano yung natira? 270 or 45 minus 360 is equal to 315. So the measure is negative 270 plus negative 45. The measure is negative 315 degree. So the first negative coterminal angle is equal to negative 315 degree. O, ganun pa rin po. Let's say, if we're going to ask to find the second negative coterminal angle, diretso lang po tayo. Ikot lang po. Second, third, ikot lang din po. Fourth, and so on and so forth. So, magsusubtract ka lang po palagi dito ng 360 degree. Okay po? Okay. Another. Sample number 2. Okay, sample number 2. So, find the angle coterminal with negative 380 degree that has a measure between letter A, 0 degree and 360 degree. Letter B, between negative 360 degree and 0 degree. Positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal angle. So, paano ba hanapin yan? Ito lang. Ito yung pinakamadali diskarte. Ano yung given? Negative 380 degree. Negative 380 degree. So, clockwise po tayo yan. 360. Assume, nandito. Nandito yung negative 380 degree. Okay. So, we're going to find the first positive coterminal angle and the first negative coterminal angle. So, the first positive coterminal angle is equal to and the negative is equal to. So, positive, ganito po. Ito yung initial side. Ito yung terminal side. So, start tayo. Positive, counterclockwise. Start tayo dito. This time, start na po tayo. Hindi tayo mag-continue kasi ibang angle na yan. So, measure natin dito. Ano yung measure nito? Positive 90, positive 180, positive 270. So, ito, negative 360. Yung sobra niya, 20. So, 360 minus 20 is equal to 340. So, the measure of this angle is equal to 340 degree. So, our first positive coterminal angle is equal to 340 degree. Okay? Or the angle coterminal with negative 380 degree that has a measure between 0 degree and 360 degree is equal to 340 degree. Letter B, we're going to find the first negative coterminal angle. So, when we say negative, clockwise po tayo. So, start tayo dito. Initial side, then mag-end terminal side. Okay, stop na po tayo. Yan lang. Why? This angle is different from this angle. So, anong measure nito? So, negative tayo negative 380. Ito, isang revolution, negative 360 degree. Negative 360 degree or negative 380 or 380 minus 360 is equal to 20. So, therefore, the measure of this angle is equal to negative 20 degree. So, our first negative coterminal angle of negative 380 degree is equal to negative 20 degree. Okay? Okay, example number 3. Find the smallest positive angle coterminal with negative 2016 degree. Negative 2016 degree. Okay, so ilang revolution ba yun? Yung negative 2016 degree. Okay, try po natin yung graph. Plot po natin. Yung ilang revolution ba yan? Or simply, negative 2016 divided by 360 degree is equal to mga 5 point. Yun yung 5 point something, mga 5.6 yata. Yun yung calculate natin. Try po natin Negative 2016 divided by 360 is equal to 5.6. Okay? 5.6 revolution po yan. So, sample nga dito. So negative 360. First revolution. Next, negative 720. Second revolution. Next, negative 1080. Tama ba? 720 plus 360. Tama. 1080. Third revolution. Next, negative 1440. Next, 1,800. Panglima na yun. Okay? 1,800. So, 2016 minus 1,800 is equal to 216. So, hindi nakabuo ng isa pang revolution. So, assume natin, nandito, negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, assume natin nandito. Nandito po yung negative 2016 degree. Okay? Ilang revolution yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.6 revolution po. So we're going to find the smallest positive angle coterminal with negative 2016 degree. So ganito lang po yan. 5.6, round off na po natin yan into 6 revolution. Total po yan, 6 revolution. Broken line po natin ha. Yung pagkumplito ng mga revolution. Okay, yung broken line po, yung po yung smallest positive angle coterminal with negative 2016. Okay, so paano ba yan? So dito makukuha din natin, di ba? So ganito lang po yan yung pinaka-discarded dyan. Negative 2016 degree plus bawas tayo 360 degree times ilang revolution po yan? Lahat. Complete po natin lahat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan po. Okay? Let's use our calculator para mas madali po tayo. Chika. So this one is 2,160 degree. Let's po natin yung 2016 kung natira. 144 degree. So 144 po yan. Ito po, positive 90 degree. The rest po, so 360 minus 360 minus 216 is equal to 144 degree. So the smallest positive angle coterminal with negative 2016 degree is equal to 144 degree. Okay? Okay, example number 4. We're going to find the largest negative angle coterminal with 137 pi over 5. So this time, yung given po na angle measurement natin radian. So yung gagawin po natin, convert po muna natin yung radian to degrees para po ma-plot po natin siya. Okay? So 137 pi over 5. Convert po into degree. So 180 over pi. So tanggal na po si radian. Okay? 36. So dito, so 36 times 137. So 137 So, ilang revolution yan? 4,932 degree over 360 degree is equal to 13.7. 13.7. So, yung sobra nito, para maging 14, siya yung largest negative angle. Okay, so, tutak ko natin siya para makita po. Okay, ilang revolution? 13.77 revolution. So, 13 na muna yung gagawin natin. So, positive, counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, kulang. Dagdag tayo. Sorry. 13. 13.7. Ilan ba yung 13 revolution? Natin ha? 360 times 13. 46 minus 4,680. Ibalin mo ito. 4932 minus 4680. 252 degree. So 252 na lang yung kulang. So 80. Dagdag tayo dito kasi kulang. 270. So nandito banda. Assume natin nandito banda. Assume na yan. Nandyan. So yung total lahat dun po sa 4,932 degree. Yung equivalent ng 137 pi over 5. So ano yung the largest negative angle? So ganito po yun. So yung kulang ng revolution niya. Pero yung gagawin po natin, clockwise naman po yung pagbilang po natin. Yung pag-measure sa kanya. So start tayo dito. Yung 0, di ba? Broken line lang po natin. Okay. Yung broken line po na yan, yun po yung largest negative angle na coterminal with the angle 137 pi over 5. So, paano yung pag-compute niyan? So, ganito lang po. 4,932 minus 360 degree times, ilan talaga lahat na revolution? Kasama na yung broken line. 14. Okay. 360 times 14 is equal to 5,040. So, 4,932 minus 5,040 equals 108. Negative 108 degree. So, ito negative 90, negative 108 degree. So, the largest negative angle coterminal with 137 pi over 5 is equal to negative 108 degree. So, that's all for today. And once again, good day everyone.